Welcome to the Classbro app. Tutors, got to click out here, select Add Class, Add Subject, MCOM Part 1, Add a Subject, Eco 1, Add another subject, Business Communication 1, add another subject, OC 1, save, click out here again, then add a batch, add batch, enter batch, MCOM 1 morning, number of students 10, select class MCOM 1 from 10 a.m. okay to 12 p.m. okay, you can save this. Saved out here, MCOM 1 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then you can also add a schedule. Add schedule, enter date, today's date, enter particular class, time changed, okay, come back again. You can also save an SMS template. Add SMS tomorrow holiday, tomorrow is an holiday, save this, come back. You can also send this to your students. Send SMS, select the title, tomorrow holiday, send to class wise, select class, that's MCOM 1, tomorrow's an holiday, click on send and send your desired SMSs.